Installation. Start with connecting the USB stick to your computer and I will guide you through the installation. Choose MagniLink PCViewer in the File folder. Then choose the Setup Program file. Allow the software to perform the installation by choosing Yes. Now click Next. Accept the terms in the license agreement by choosing I accept the terms, and then click Next. If you're using one of our wireless systems, for example MagniLink Air, click Wi-Fi. If your system is licensed for OCR, text-to-speech, select the languages you are licensed for. The languages could for example be English and Swedish. Confirm your choices by clicking Next and then Install.